Grand Rising, Divine Collective. Using my new deck again today. I don't really have a system on which cards I use, Divine Collective. Every morning that I wake up, I allow God to guide me, okay? Guide my hands, grab whatever I need to grab, Divine Collective, and I fully trust that that is the message that God wants me to give to all of you, okay? So let's see here. What is going on in the current energy? Spirit says that a lot of you are establishing a spiritual force field around your peace here, or that you need to do so, Divine Collective. Establish a spiritual force field around your peace. Not every emotional reaction deserves your participation, Divine Collective. So what that's telling me is just be mindful is the word of people trying to rage bait you here, Divine Collective. Okay, protect your peace. Establish a spiritual force field around your peace. Not every emotional reaction deserves your participation. Be mindful of those trying to rage bait you. The burden that these people carry, Divine Collective, it belongs to them, okay? And they kind of want to pass this off to you by baiting you, by getting a reaction out of you. This allows them to kind of swap energies, I'm feeling, Divine Collective. This allows people to be able to destiny swap through emotional reactions, Spirit is telling me. Again, the burdens that they carry, they belong to them, Divine Collective, okay? You are the generational curse breaker. I'm getting 744 here, Divine Collective. 744 is of significance. I just recently learned this term, and Spirit is bringing it up, Divine Collective. I believe it is pronounced metanoia, M-E-T-A-N-O-I-A. This means a transformative change of mind, heart, or self, a deep shift in perspective. I'm picking up on metanoia, Divine Collective. A lot of you may be having a deep shift in perspective here, a transformative change of mind, of heart. I'm getting the Six of Cups reversed. This is Spirit asking you, Divine Collective, not to romanticize who or what hurt you, okay? I'm picking up on nostalgia here. The Six of Cups reverse is asking you not to allow, memories to take you back to a place, Divine Collective, where things seem better than what they actually were, okay? All too often, nostalgia, that is nostalgia, that will do that to you. It will make things seem better than they actually were, okay? So again, the Six of Cups reverse is asking you not to romanticize what or who hurt you. Possibly a mother or an aunt, Divine Collective. A mother or an aunt is showing up in this reading, all right? Someone is currently in therapy, Spirit is telling me. Someone is currently in therapy. Someone feels that you did something to them, Spirit says. That's wild. Spirit is saying that you didn't do anything to this person, okay? The burdens that they carry, the burdens belong to them. For some of you, I feel like you may be in hermit mode at the moment, Divine Collective. In this storyline, the hermit reminds you that silence often accomplishes more than explanation, okay? Something about keeping your moves to your chest here. Silence, Divine Collective. I'm getting the Knight of Pentacles here. Steady progress. Move carefully. Build slowly, Divine Collective. I'm getting that after the Hermit here. Spirit is saying it's very important that you take all of this as a lesson and not a loss, Divine Collective. Okay? Take it as a lesson and not a loss. Discern what is true. Instead of becoming distracted by someone else's perceptions, Divine Collective, think for yourself. Bottom line, Spirit is telling you to think for yourself, okay? Looking back, one of the, I don't have any regrets, Divine Collective, but looking back, I think to myself on how long I allowed others to tell me who I was or who I wanted to be, Divine Collective, because I never really thought that I knew, okay? Or maybe it was that I was just too burdened to know. Maybe I was too overwhelmed, okay? Maybe I was just trying to survive like we all are, Divine Collective, and we lose track of who we really are at our core, okay? So it's time to wake up from allowing others to tell you who you are or who you are meant to be in this life, Divine Collective. It's really just time to wake up, okay? And think for yourself and save yourself here. That's how I'm feeling. Someone here continues avoiding responsibility, Divine Collective, while expecting others to carry the weight of their choices. Yeah. Some lessons were never meant to become lifelong relationships. I feel like this is someone from your past that you have set boundaries with, Divine Collective. I feel like they're awakening to these feelings of nostalgia, you know, thinking that things were better than what they actually were, Divine Collective. This person is, you know, I feel like they love everything about you, Divine Collective. I really do, but they're also awakening to a lot of the very ugly things that they did to you behind the scenes in this unawakened state of being, in this karmic state, Divine Collective. And in this storyline, you know, Spirit is just reminding you that some lessons were never meant to be lifelong relationships, Divine Collective. So I feel like you're moving forward on your journey, okay? You're moving forward towards new people, places, things, Divine Collective. And Spirit is reminding you in this reading, okay, that remembering only the highlights of a painful relationship creates an illusion. Healing requires seeing the whole picture, Divine Collective, okay? That is why, you know, it's so important that when you're creating boundaries with people that you're not going through photo books from 5 years ago, remembering when you went to Disney World together and it was just so happy and so great. You know, times were different. That's the thing, Divine Collective. Energy is fluid. It changes constantly, okay? So don't find yourself keeping yourself stuck or stagnant because, you know, of these nostalgic feelings, Divine Collective. What you're doing is you're creating an illusion. Healing requires seeing the whole picture and seeing it honestly, okay? Discernment is very important. There's proof here, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on proof that a property belongs to you here. You have a property that belongs to you, and there's proof coming out in divine timing, okay? In divine timing. Some people still have years of lessons ahead of them, Spirit says, and their journey is theirs to walk, okay? Meaning you can't force others to want to change, Divine Collective, okay? The only thing that you're going to do by trying to force others is keep yourself behind, okay? All right? You're going to lose out on opportunities and moving forward because you're more focused on helping others who don't want to be helped, okay? Someone is finally admitting their feelings for you here. 555, the shift. Yeah, someone is starting to realize, they're beginning to realize they made a decision that they regret, Divine Collective. Yeah, confirmation, hold back on the nostalgia. Confirmation, Divine Collective. Someone may be trying to send you old photos or remember when texts, Divine Collective. This is all part of a looping trick. That is what I'm hearing, to keep you looping, Divine Collective. And I know we all know someone like that, okay? We all know someone like that. Someone here made a pact with the devil for money and fame.